time for some upholstery cleaning. This is just a short clip from today's job. This is the new setup. I have the Harbor Freight setup, but for delicate upholstery, there's a bag of slip-on 6-inch microfiber covers, chemical guys. This came from Walmart, I think, for about 16 bucks. It's a pump-up sprayer, so I can pump it up and use it for the upholstery. And the new machine, I'm not sure, I think it was maybe $20, something like that, on Amazon. I'll show you the model. It's handheld, a lot easier to handle than the higher RPM unit, the Harbor Freight unit. This is model 6101, I think it was. Anyway, you can stop that and take a look at it. And I have this cotton, I got a cotton cloth with me as well, and you could see these are not in that bad a shape. They do each have little spots, food and some marker and some other stuff. This is one end chair, and then I have 4 of the side chairs I'm doing. Like I said, it's white cotton. When you spray white cotton, you'll see a tweed looking effect, little brown dots sometimes. That's part of the delicate cotton fabric. Beautiful. Now, I'm not even going to edit this part out. You'll see my finger won't reach over in just a moment to turn the unit off. I want to use 2 hands and work and spot and stuff, so I'm going to end the cleaning part there. And here I go. I can't even get it with one finger holding it. Woo! Fantasy world. So boom, down goes the phone. Be right back. Just didn't feel like editing that out. Sorry, folks. All right, so there you go. I got everything cleaned. I've mopped up the floor of any overspray that I may have had. Everything looks good. And I'm going to start doing the carpets. This came out beautiful. I hate shadows. Sometimes I try to edit the shadows out, but I'll just pull the chair forward here so you can see it's very clean. You can see my fat shadow in there. There you go. Everything looks beautiful, 100% cotton. There's the glove. Used some citric acid and some water and neutralized with the glove afterwards. Fantastic. That was just a short clip to show you the new machine, what I've been doing, and how I clean the cotton. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.